Hello friends, today you must be seeing the name of the share we are going to talk about on your app screen, whose share price is currently going on $307 have come. Let us see the technical and fundamental aspects of this share. This share, hello friends. In today video we are going to talk about a share that is continuously falling. What could be the reason behind this? We will try to understand it on the chart. We will understand its fundamentals. Is this share good for the long term or not? What should the brothers who are stuck in this stock do now? We are going to talk about it in this video. So friends, if we talk about its monthly chart, this stock monthly chart, then this share is breaking all support breaking and is moving down, and the volume is also coming good, volume very good, which means that there is still more decline left in this stock. Its strong support of the month is seen at $280. The possibility of this stock reaching such a high level seems high. This stock has fallen. This stock has fallen a lot in a week, and there is a chance of it falling further. People have become very afraid of this share, due to which more selling pressure is rising. My view regarding this share is that there is still more fall left. If you look at its technical aspects, a strong sell is going on. If you look at its technical aspects and strong sell is going on, and the trend of this stock is bearish, and this trend can continue for a long time. Trump news has had a hug impact on this stock. If you look at one-day data, a strong sell is going, and if you look at week data, the trend indicator of the stock are strong sell, and if you look at the month data, this stock is seen falling. So friends, the final things that this share fundamental looks good. This share looks good. This stock technicals trend is very bearish. Moving average indicator, moving average bearish. This stock, United Health, bearish. Technical indicator bearish. Moving averages crossbars bearish. Returns 1 week 21%, 1 month 47 minus 47, return 3 months 41 minus. This stock financial condition, net profit up, continuously up, net profit. This stock EPS, this stock up, total asset total asset, this share up, fundamental, this stock very strong, equity up, debt of equity low, continuously low. And so friends, the final things, so friends, the final things is that this share fundamentally looks good. But now due to the news that is coming out, you are getting to see a fall in this share. So basically there can be a fall in this share in future as well. Don't take tension about long term things. Short term things have already been caught in this share. Rest of the friends, if you liked it liked the video, then do like it and also subscribe to the channel. You will see it in the next video.